even without makeup, huh? Maybe, kinda, sorta. Wow, look at that, dark. This makeup line, Claudio Riaz, he has been one of my favorite makeup artists. Out of all the makeup brushes that I have, which is a lot, I bought his brush like 9 years ago, and it is the only brush still standing in all of those brushes. Every single makeup video I've done, I have used his brow brush. It's the exact thickness of your brow. So you can put your brow powder in it and you literally just follow your brow, and in seconds you have a beautiful brow. It's unbelievably crazy. This makeup is like gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous makeup without having to spend a lot of time. He's created tools to make your makeup work so fast, so easy, and so beautiful. Claudio Riaz. He has done makeup on literally every celebrity known to man. His foundation, there is no parabens, there's no talc. And what I love about this is it's literally an all-in-one foundation. It has your primer, it has your skincare in it, and it's also your foundation, and it's super light. It's got coverage, but it's not too much coverage, and it's a very lightweight. Your complexion blender. One squirt and literally one dab of foundation is going to completely cover my whole face, and you can see how super natural and lightweight this is. Already my face is looking better. It really will change the way you do your makeup, the time that it takes you to do your makeup. You know, I still look dark under my eyes, and we are going to fix that next with his concealer. Developed this brush, and again, his brushes are amazing. I'm just gonna tap it in there. So I get some on my brush here, and now all we're gonna do is, this brush was made to be like your finger. How you would tap your finger, we're going to tap this brush. And he made it so smart, so you keep it flat as you tap, 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 tap all the way around. Now look, if we point it in here, we can get into the corner, into all the hard to reach spots. We check out the difference between this eye and this eye now. Holy mackerel, so much better. Here's my concealer. I put the product on this side, so now we're gonna flip the brush and we're gonna use the other side with the powder. We're gonna swipe down, and now we're just gonna pat it out on top and set it. But check out this eye versus this eye. So much better, huh? So much better. Now let's do our brows. Here's a brow. Dark chocolate is my color. He has 2 brushes. Favorite brush of all time. So if you want to make your brows super easy, you would tap it in, and then literally, because it's the thickness of your own brow, you would literally just follow your brow. But he also has, for people who maybe don't have as much brow and just want to do a little bit more detailed, we have this eyebrow brush, which also has the comb. It has a primer to help it stay. So we're going to put some primer on our brush, and then we're going to dip our brush into the brow. And now we're just going to follow. So you can see how you would do it with the other thick one. Now this one you can get a little bit more detailed. And you want to bring that brush down to match the corner of your eye. And of course, that helps you make that really thin line right there. This product is literally the grab and go for everyone. This is your complexion for your whole face. You have to get the brush. What we're gonna do is we're gonna swipe it across, tap it on our hand, and now we're gonna make it number 3. So we're gonna start right above the forehead here. We're gonna come in and around. And how beautiful is that? Now 3 swipe, and voila! Look how pretty that is. Want an eyebrow lift? We're going to take this flat brush here, and we're gonna put it in this beautiful highlighter color, and we're just gonna tap it in there, tap it on our hand, and we're gonna go right into that brow bone, flat, and come around. Just like that. Bam. Wanted to add a little blush, you could go in with the side of this brush, and we're just gonna swipe down here, and we're just gonna add some blush, and then we can blend here. How freaking pretty is this? Really, we've barely used any products, and my face is looking pretty good. Okay, this, you get it all done in this. You see this product? Looks like mascara, right? This is your mascara, and it's also your gel liner. What? You can also prime your lashes with it too. We're gonna take some product off of this mascara brush, if you wanna call it mascara brush. We have this flat brush, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna wet it. So to get your waterline, we're gonna come under. You can also brush your lashes with it. You can actually go back with this same flat brush and we can go back into your lash. Done, made up. I don't have any eyeshadow on. I've got my brows lifted. You send him a picture, he'll match your foundation, he'll match your concealer. Everybody needs this. Instant Face 2. Literally send him pictures, message him. He said he would match your foundation. Don't be afraid to message him, get a hold of him. Claudio Riaz on Instagram, Claudio Riaz on Facebook. He is such an amazing guy. He would love to help you get you the right products so that when you get going on it, you're loving it. Hey, it's a party. We can't stop. We gotta keep on going. He has some beautiful makeup. Hey.